So, and working in your presentations, one thing that students tend to have a bit of a challenge with is the works cited page. So, I use Google for my documents, and I use Google to develop the works cited page. If you're not a Google user, Word has something similar, OneDrive has something similar, and I also want to show you this resource, which is available for you in Canvas, is the Purdue website. And so if you go to the Purdue website, and this link again is available for you for Canvas, it does the formatting. It tells you how to cite things within text, and then it tells you how to do a reference list, which is a works cited page. You can click on the type of source that you're using, and then it will put it in the correct order. It helps show you how to put it in the correct order. Additionally, EasyBib is very helpful, and it will also do the same thing. So I use Google Drive. And so let me just show you how that works. It's really couldn't be easier when I was in graduate school. If this had existed, my life would have been a lot easier. So you come to Google Drive, and then you will go to Format. No, you'll go to Tools, and then you'll click on Citations, and then this will appear out to the side. So again, in Google, Tools, Citations. And then there's a drop down here, and it will say MLA, APA, Chicago. We use APA in this course, okay? So then you'll click the plus sign, Add Citation Source. So the first one I'm going to add, actually all of them are going to be websites. So I'm going to put website. And now I'm going to go back to the page that I created with, and I showed you earlier in another video with my sources. So here's just the website. So I'm going to copy the website, and I'm going to go back. I always have 1,000 tabs open, so I apologize. And then I will paste that website right here, and then click search. Okay, it's telling me that some information is missing. I knew that just because of the type of source that is, and it's fine. If it's information that you have separate, you can click Cite manually, but I clicked Continue. So right here, it's asking me, do I have this missing information? I don't have the missing information. What I have is what's here, and so I am going to leave it as is. So I'm going to add citation source, and I'm going to let this sit right here. I'm going to go and add my next one. So I'm going to go back to my source page, and I'm going to go to my second source. So it's this one, and I'm going to copy the website because I have used that in my source. And then again, it's a website, so I'm going to choose that. I will paste the link. Actually, let me go back. I messed up there, so I'm going to do it again. You'll go to website, paste the link, and then click search. I clicked cite manually in accident. I didn't mean to. So I'm going to click continue. So it has all the information I have, and I'm going to click add source. So it's going to go there. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to go back to my page, and then I'm going to go to the next source. So my next source is right here. Copy. Paste. Search. Continue. Add citation. So there's the 3 so far. I have one more, and I'm going to go down and find that source. Here is the website. Copy. Add citation. It's another website. I'm going to add the URL and search. Continue. So it's asking me if I know the author's name. In this instance, I do. So I'm going to go back here, and the author is Tara Tutton. So I'm going to go and put that. Okay. The rest of the information is here. So I'm going to click add citation and then insert references. So once I click that, it's going to put everything in the order it should be in. It puts things in alphabetical order by the first word. So it's going to alphabetize it the way it should be. Everything is in the correct format, and everything's done for me already. So if you have something like Word or OneDrive or access to Google Drive, this is by far the simplest way to develop an APA works cited page. I often then copy and paste this and put this on a last page of my outline, submit it as one document. I know many of you do that also. Some of you submit it as two different documents. Either way is fine. But as you finished your research, you know all the sources that you're incorporating into your speech, I would recommend that you use a source such as Google Drive to develop your works cited pages. And again, to do it in Google Drive, you'd go to Tools, Citations, and then with citations, you're going to choose APA. Make sure you don't leave it on MLA or Chicago. It usually automatically defaults to MLA. So go to APA, you click the Add the Source, you choose what type of source you want to use, and then how you accessed it, and then it'll develop the rest of it from there. If it is not pulling information that you have, include it and add it like I did in the last source, and then you can build your works cited page. I hope this helps you with APA. I know it can be a challenge for many students, but I hope this makes it much more simpler. And again, like I said, if this was around in 2000 and 2002 when I was in graduate school, it would have made life a lot easier.